I would say calculus has helped prepare me for my future the most because I had to learn how to study for something that wasn't in my comfort zone. And I think in college, that'll be the case with a few classes.
AP Literature has done wonders for helping me out in the future. To be given a book each month and have to read annotated fully to the end of the month has just proven to be a challenge, but it has forced me into sectioning my time so that I can handle it.
My science and math classes, they've all definitely helped prepare me, but also helped me find my interests and what I wanted to major in. And combining my interest in research and also the STEM field definitely kind of helped. I've found a super cool major that helps combine everything I'm interested in.
AP classes like AP Chem, AP Calc A, B, and BC, AP Physics, those, and especially AP Literature, kind of helped me look into myself and see where I want to be seen in 5 to 10 years.
My engineering class, Project Lead the Way, as it gives me engineering skills that I can apply in my major as well as my career, AP Language and AP Literature, which have helped me learn how to analyze papers and also write papers that I can use during engineering research.
Project Lead the Way is a 4-year engineering course that made me realize that that's what I want to do for the rest of my life. And the challenges that it gives me every single day and making me think critically and creatively and problem solving.
They all give you skills that you can take into different classes as well, including patience, problem solving, and even learning how to deal with failure and persevere.
Through my English classes, I learned the valuable teachings of connecting with people through class discussions and throughout all the different articles and literature we read.
I would say Shawnee's helped me most with self-advocacy and learning how to talk to teachers and eventually professors.
Leadership is the primary skill that I have developed over my time with Cherokee. I've learned the value of my own reputation and leading by example for other people to follow.
Learning how to communicate, I got to present my research to staff at an in-service, and from that I definitely came out of my shell and was able to public speak more. So that's been a huge skill that I've learned.
Lenape prepared me in a way that I can be successful wherever I go. And that doesn't just have to be at like a college, doesn't just have to be at a job, but in any situation and any place, I think I can use at least one of the qualities that I learned at Lenape.
The involvement that I've had here, as well as what I've been able to learn from my academic classes, it's really challenged me to manage my time wisely and to make sure that I'm tackling everything with my best efforts.
In balancing after-school activities with sports and clubs and schoolwork and tests, that has really been great, and that is something that I'll definitely be using in college and in my career.
Teaching me different skills such as patience and leadership in clubs, as well as giving me opportunities to go beyond just things in the classroom, to doing different service projects, getting involved in sports and clubs.
Connections with people are very important, especially through my experiences in theater. Having that connection not only on stage with your castmates, but also the connection with the audience as well, has just taught me about being in the moment and connecting with people.